is for animal. A is for ant. B is for bear. B is for book. Have you read my baby fox book? B is for bus. White. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for caterpillar. Wow, that is a big caterpillar. D is for dog. E is for Esse. Can you spell my name? E S S E Esse. E is for elephant. E is for egg. What an interesting shape. F is for fish. F is for fox. Baby fox. F is for forest. F is for fire. Fire! D is for goat. G is for guitar. H is for home. H is for horse. And H is for happy. H is for hat. And now we're finally up to I. I is for idea. I have an idea. I want to have I for ice cream. Ice cream. That was delicious. Now I'm going to do some work. I is for iPhone. But before I use my iPhone, I have to clean my hands after that delicious ice cream. Now I'm going to use my iPhone to do work on my spaceflight simulator. Since we're up to the letter J, I'm going to build a rocket to fly to my favorite planet of all, Jupiter! Jupiter! K is for kangaroo. Hello, kangaroo. Hey, come back! K is for kettle. Tea-time! L is for lemon. This is a big lemon. This is a small lemon. L is for lion. moon. Do you know that the moon has craters? M is for man, like Daddy is a man. M is for mouse. Daddy, there's a mouse in the house. N is for nuts. Do you know that there are different types of nuts? There are acorns, there are almonds, there are peanuts, there are cashew nuts, and so many more. N is for nose. Here it is. Your nose is to smell. N is for nest. The nest is on the tree. O is for octopus. How many legs does octopus have? Yes, 8. O is for orange. Good source of vitamin C. Oh, I love orange. Yay! O is for orchestra. P is for pen. And also P is for pencil. And pen and pencil is used for writing. P is for playground. I love playground. My favorite is the slide. Q is for queue. It's good to wait for your turn. Q is for question mark. Questions are important. I have a question to ask you. What is your favorite food? Do you have a question to ask me? R is for rocket. Have you seen a rocket before? Let's do the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go! I need to wear my sunglasses. S is for sunglasses. That feels good. S is for soap. Soap is used to wash your hands. T is for trumpet. Do you want to blow trumpet with me? T is for table. It has 4 legs and a flat top. You can use it to eat, write and do work. U is for Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, and it is made up of a gas called methane. U is for ukulele. V is for violin. V is for vegetables. Vegetables are good for you. V is for Venus. Venus is the 2nd planet from the Sun, and it is made up of volcanoes. W is for woman. A woman is an adult, like Mommy is an adult. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. Can you see my bands? Y is for yo-yo. I want to play with it. Y is for YouTube. Are you watching me on YouTube? Please subscribe. Z is for zipper. Zippers are used to zip up clothes. Z is for zoo. Have you been to the zoo before? When I went to the zoo, I saw zebras. Z